Okay guys, I'm going to walk you through the setup after rebuilding your carburetor. This is a Mercarb 2-barrel for the 120 and 140 horse. The stock settings, the factory service manual says that this here is your idle speed screw that should be wound in after contacting the high idle cam 2 full turns. And the idle mixture, which is right there, that should be wound out a complete turn and a quarter. So what I've also done here is I've hooked up just a cheap Amazon vacuum gauge right to the intake manifold. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you what my readings are. See, the water's on. As you can see, hovering right around the 15 inches mark of vacuum. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to up the idle speed just a little bit, back to the factory setting of 2 complete turns. See, we've already made a difference there. Then what we're going to do, we're going to adjust the idle mixture screw until we get the highest amount of vacuum. See, it's dropping. I wind it in. You can see we've reached our high point. As the idle speed changes, obviously the vacuum's going to change as well. So I have my final settings. That stayed the same. That stayed at 2 complete turns in. And this one here, I believe I wound it in about 3/4 of a turn, if not almost a complete turn in. This is giving me the best result. That being said, this motor's probably pretty worn out. I have no idea how many hours are on it. I've just done a full service on it. I've got an igniter module in it, and I've got the flamethrower tube coil on it. Anyways, hope this helps you.